Failure. It's a word that brings fear, doubt, and sometimes even shame. But what if I told you that failure is not the end, but the beginning of your journey to success? From Steve Jobs to Oprah Winfrey, some of the most successful people in the world have faced failure, not just once, but many times. Yet, they turned their failures into stepping stones for their ultimate success. Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore how you can transform failures into powerful lessons and stepping stones on your path to success. Let's dive in. First, we need to redefine failure. It's not a dead end, but a detour, a learning opportunity that shows us what didn't work so we can find what will. Think of failure as a guide, pointing you towards what you need to improve. It's not about falling down, it's about getting back up stronger and smarter. Let's take a look at some inspiring stories of individuals who turned their failures into stepping stones. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. J.K. Rowling faced countless rejections, and Thomas Edison failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Each of them used their failures as motivation to push harder. So, how can you turn your failures into success? Here are 3 practical steps. 1. Analyze the failure, understand what went wrong. Was it the strategy, the timing, or something else? Learn from it. 2. Adjust your approach. Use the insights gained from your failure to tweak your strategy. Don't be afraid to pivot. 3. Persevere. Failure is just a setback, not the end. Stay determined, keep pushing forward, and don't give up. Remember, failure is not your enemy, inaction is. Embrace your failures, learn from them, and use them as the building blocks for your success. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs a little motivation, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content.